The NIVY Data Factory has some built-in data analytics tools that are ready to process your data. Firstly, log into the NIVY Data Factory and go to Analytics. Once you're there, you will be presented with a familiar Power BI interface. There are three main data points here: area, distancing, and steps. Areas are broken down into three graphs, with the first displaying the time spent in a beacon zone. This can be an aggregation of multiple watches and can be filtered by a date range. Next, we have the zones by watch. This is great to see exactly what beacon zones a watch was in throughout a day, week, or any period that you specify. Finally, we can filter by watches, beacon zones, and a date range. This is great for pinpointing activity within a specific area. Distancing is used to tell the distance between two watches. Simply select the watch and it will show you what other devices have been within the defined range and for how long. Then finally, we have steps per watch and steps per day. Again, these can be filtered by date range and watches. That's it for now. Check out the rest of our videos about the NIVY Data Factory.